Yes, sir. It's time to get to business, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to get to business. Let's see what we got here. Hope you guys are all having a great start to your what's today? Thursday. To your Thursday. Is today the day we get this thing done? See, Wi-Fi just a little bit laggy. Let me go ahead and just refresh this. I don't need no lag, bruh. No lag. So we got news at 9:45. I know that, right? We had unemployment claims come out. Here, let me. I think I know what's going on. Just using the Wi-Fi instead of what you call it, my Ethernet. Here, actually, let me go to my settings real quick. Okay, yeah, we're good. But yeah, news at 9:45. We got PMI. Okay, we'll see what that has in store. Overall, though, or I guess I should say, as of right now, though, it looks like we are drawing to this level we had marked up yesterday on the daily. This high right here. It's looking like that's the play. So we just got to see what news does. If this is the draw, I would love for us to be able to get a chance to get in there. Because once that's taken, I guess we would have to try to see if we can get something else, right? This high, and then ultimately, this fair value gap sitting up here on the daily. Looking at ES again, we know it's already taken this high, and we already we may or may not have tapped into that already. We may or may not have. I think we did low key. So I mean, there's still bearish SMT between these two, ES and NQ. So we're just gonna have to see what they're trying to do. So as of right now, bro, we're not doing anything. We're gonna wait until news, before we start making any type of decisions, bro. I'm sure they got that. I hear this bad dog barking. I wish there was a way to just say, keep me signed in, bro. Or like, trust this device. What's up, man? Good morning. How you doing? I guess what I would want to see ideally with news is like come down here and sweep like some type of low, even if it's just AM session low or current AM session low, London session low, Asia session low. Just sweep some lows, and if we are indeed bullish and heading towards this liquidity sitting up here, I would want to see a play off of that. Yes, sir. I'm always doing great, bro. Always doing great. If we don't get that, then, you know, we'll have to try to see if we can catch it another way if we are going to be bullish. But if we're going to be bearish, let me see. I don't know, man. I really can't be bearish because I feel like we still got a long way to go. I could be wrong though, even though I'm very rarely ever wrong, guys. Trust me. I feel like we may just be ready to take out these equal highs sitting up here. So, but I don't know though. We'll see. I really would love to just go ahead and pass this combine today, bro. We're at $1,100. We're just gonna say call it an even 12 away. So I'll just go for 60 points if I get it set up on NQ. Would love to get this thing done today, bro. And if and when I do, bro, I'm gonna have to go ahead and give a shout out to that boy Kev for putting me on to the 50Ks, man. He was like, yo, Chris, bro, you should try doing the 50K, bro. You be doing these 150Ks and you be getting 3K every time. But you just don't be getting the 9K. And low-key, I don't be getting the 9K. Well, I never got the 9K just because, like, I'll have a day where I just sell, bro. Or I just go on tilt and I just lose it. But, I mean, he was still accurate in his assessment of, like, getting 3K ain't a problem. I've got 3K, 4K, 5K, 6K, 7K. You know what I'm saying? It's just, for whatever reason, I take longer on the 150Ks. And then, like, the longer I take, like, I'll just have a day where I'm like, bro, I'm tired of being in this, and I'll just do something crazy and blow the account, bro. I wish there was a way to look at all my previous combines. I could show you guys. I've never like just straight up failed a combine where like I was just losing straight up. Like I've always failed a combine because I hit the trailing drawdown that stopped at break even. So it's just I had one of them days, man, where it's just, you know what? Forget it, bro. I'm about to just go all in. I'm passing this today. And then blow the account up. So, not going to do that with this one, obviously. Still got plenty of time. Today is the what? Today is the 22nd. I think I got this account like on the 6th. So I still got, what, 2 weeks to make $1,100 or $1,200 before the rebuild. I'll do that. All right, so the news came out. One bullish, one bearish. Excellent. I love that. I love that. I love when there's like indecision in the news. Beautiful. All right, so one bullish, one bearish. So now we just really just got to go off of price action. Nah, man, it's not what's up. Self-sabotage is not what's up, bro. Like, I know it sounds good. Like, I've never just straight up failed a combine. But I ain't never passed one either. So we gotta get past that. Gotta get over this self-sabotage. That's another reason why I started streaming until I pass. Just to kind of, number one, keep myself in check. Right? Like, I can't go on tilt on camera. Two, just to show you guys me getting over this self-sabotage crap. And then just document the journey, man. You know, just thinking about when I was starting in trading. When I hopped on YouTube, everyone I watched was already profitable, you know. Not too many people on YouTube really kind of showed the journey from start to finish. And granted, you know, I didn't show my journey from start to finish, right? Like, I didn't show it when I was just brand new. But I did start when I was unprofitable, right? And then you guys see me transition to where I am now, being a break-even trader. And so now we trying to get to that transition to a consistently profitable trader. I got profitable weeks, profitable months, just not consistently. Even though y'all really did low-key catch like the tail end of my unprofitability. But yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show me getting my first funded account live. Then I'm gonna be live streaming until I get my first payout. Right after I get my first payout, I feel like I have done enough, right, to really kind of show the journey. And then after that, I'll just live stream when I feel like it. Right? I mean, because at the end of the day, people are gonna talk anyway. Right? Live streams ain't gonna really prove anything to anybody, especially, you know, a couple that I got. They'll be like, "Oh, bro, you only showed that for one account. You only showed that for one payout, bro. That doesn't mean you're doing it consistently." Like, people gonna talk at the end of the day. I'm not trying to prove myself to people on YouTube, bro. You can believe what you want to believe about me, about my profitability status when I get to that point. But, you know, trying to be as transparent as I can, but you also don't want people in your pockets. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need nobody pocket watching me, bruh. Like, don't worry about how much I'm making for real. course they're cutting the grass, bro. Don't you guys know I'm streaming right now, bro? Did the music stop playing? Oh, it didn't. This man wants me to look at the Bob. What am I looking at? The bot behavior. You're in the daily FEG. What is all this stuff right here? In a daily fair value gap. Swept some liquidity on the 4 hour. You got a lower 4 hour fair value gap down there. Just looking real boppy to me, not gonna lie. You caught a sale. Good stuff, man. The bop shows love to who she wants to show love to. She don't be showing me no love. For the most part. Alright, so these are data lows here. We'll see what happens once we take those out. I'll say once, if we take those out. YM's already done it. ES and NQ have not. I'm gonna turn this on and put an alert. This might be similar to the setup, like if things play out how they did last week. Like we can get like a little fair value gap on NQ before ES or NQ sweeps these data lows. I might do that. It'll kind of be similar to the setup last Thursday, I want to say. Yeah, I want to say last Thursday. You could, if you wanted to take this, like change in the state of delivery right here. Let's see. These wicks ain't looking too good. Oh shoot, there is low key some bearish SMT here. Y'all see this? Y'all see what I'm seeing? A little bearish SMT between ES and NQ. It's probably not the same high, but it's still SMT. It's probably this high, right? 931. Yeah. They could just be generating some more liquidity down here before coming to take it out. But then again, YM has already taken these out. See, here's the thing, yo. People say you can use SMT with like all the indexes, right? So NASDAQ, S&P, Dow. The problem is, bro, YM is typically always doing its own thing, bro. So it's kind of hard for me to use YM as like a SMT confluence, because it's like, bro, YM is always doing its own thing. It's always doing something different. So it's kind of hard for me to be like, oh yeah, we got SMT between the Dow and NASDAQ or whatever. Like, it's kind of hard for me to do that. I can't trust. YM is with the BOP. I mean, she not on the same level as gold, but she still has BOP tendencies. And I don't know if I can trust her. That stuff don't look good at all for sales, low key. If we start displacing through this high, we might just have to flip it and go long, man. But right now, we are looking bullish. I'm not giving up on it yet. This looks so sloppy, bro. Now it's like new internal SMT, like lower high on ES, higher high. Let me make sure this is the same high, 945. It's the same high. So now it's kind of, now we got this. I apologize if the lawnmowers are super loud, y'all. Now we got this. We got new SMT. About to roll into a new hour. About a minute and a half. I don't know, man. This is starting to look decent. But y'all know I can't stand taking a trade at the start of a new hour, bro. So what I might do is I might just wait a couple of minutes into the new 10 o'clock hour if this fair value gap holds up, and hopefully we can get something like we got. What was that on Tuesday? Did I take a trade this week? I don't think I did. Did I? What's today? 22nd. Oh yeah, I did. So hopefully we can get something like we did on Tuesday. Have a couple candles, like just play in this zone of respect and let me know, like, yo, the 10 o'clock, the new 10 o'clock hourly candle ain't gonna push up, right? Create the top wick first and then, you know what I'm saying, go. Like, that be pissing me off. But is that just me regarding the clouds or observing the wind, excuse me? What are we looking like risk-wise? What are we looking like? About 420-ish. I'm sorry, y'all. I know it's probably loud, bro. I'm not gonna set a limit. I'll see how it does if and when it gets up there. Or this thing may just run and take this out. Just looking like it's about to do that. Oh, here they go. Yes, sir. Double noise, baby. Yeah, it's looking like they about to just go ahead and take this out anyway. That's tough. If we can get a pullback, I may just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. ES hasn't taken it either. I might. I'm still in this 1 hour bullish gap, man. Do I want to fade the higher time frame? Hopefully it'll just take it out without me having to make that decision, bro. I don't know if I want to fade the higher time frame, bro. Yeah, just go ahead and do it. All right, good. I think it's about to just go ahead and take it. Um, I'll be happy when it does, if and when it does that, bro, because I don't want to make a decision on if I wanted to fade the higher time frame up here or not, bro, because I probably would have been like, nah, I'm good. So now that that low's been taken, let's see what we can get. One thing you probably could have got is if you took like an inverse fair value gap type of play here. This bullish one. I'm cool with that though. It's looking like ES may go ahead and take it too, so we're not even gonna have an SMT. Yeah, ES just took it. I don't know. Right now on the 5 minutes, looking like they're displacing through this low. Like a lot. Man. Like, yo, relax. Sheesh. Talk about displacing through a low, man. gonna keep apologizing for the noise, y'all. So we had drawn liquidity correct with this news low. But y'all know me, I don't take inverse fair value gaps. And I was still iffy on if I was going to take this up here. So luckily we didn't have to make that decision. So because of this like huge bearish candle, right, displacing through this low, like we didn't get a sweep, like we literally ran through it. I would like to see, like, number one, if we get this fair value gap. Number two, when price comes back into here, what's the reaction? And maybe just dropping down to a 1 minute time frame and seeing, okay, is there something we can catch on the 1 minute? Because I mean, we got lows to target. We got lows. Yeah, we got lows we can target. So hopefully this isn't just like a fall off a cliff type of day, bro, and it gives us an opportunity to hop into something. Just took London's low. I feel like that could potentially be what they're trying to take out. I'm just going based off the information I'm seeing, y'all. Like, yes, do I still believe that this high right here could be in play as a draw? Yes. But so far, I'm seeing bearishness, bro. Like, yeah, like, we're not closing below this low, right? We're getting a wick below the low. So now I would want to see a reaction here. And if we see a reaction, hop on the 1 minute time frame and try to catch something off of that. I'm not gonna force nothing. Let's see. That ain't what we want to see. We would like to see a retracement in here, market makers, if you don't mind, just to see how you want to react here. I will say these bottom wicks ain't really helping the case of being bearish. Nada. Still waiting, y'all. People know they be hating, boy. I'm not sleeping, bro. The market just ain't doing nothing for me right now. GP got smacked. Good stuff. Good stuff trading that bop. Started in 2020, took 2021 off, picked it back up in 2024, in 2022. So 2020, 22, 23, about 3.5 years. March next year will be 4 years. Four years next March. Currently my win rate sits around anywhere between like a 55. Well, I'll keep it on the low end. I'll say 55%. I know somebody like, if you have a 55% win rate, how come you're not consistently profitable? Because I have days where I go on tilt and I lose more than I should. So, but as far as RR goes, bro, it really just, it depends. I don't really have a set risk to reward ratio I go after. So that I couldn't really tell you. I will say, even though I do go on tilt, you know, I still, like, my wins still outweigh my losses a lot, which is what keeps me at a break-even trader. Yeah, I'm not profitable. Not consistently profitable. I'm a break-even trader. I'm a break-even trader. I ain't losing money, but I ain't making none either. That's the problem. Not consistently profitable yet. I have profitable weeks, profitable months, just not consistently. So I don't try to claim to be a profitable trader. We're tapping into this. Oh, not yet. Oh yeah, for sure. That's why I always put yet after everything I say. I'm not profitable yet. Why don't I fix it to a 1 or 2 no matter what? Because number one, I like to try to leave a runner to see how much we could get. Now you could say that's greed, but I don't know. Sometimes I just like to. I don't like to always close at my first TP. Leave a lot of money on the table. Plus, we already know losing streaks happen. So I try to, you know what I'm saying, get as much as I can. I'm still trying to find a balance in between, you know, taking profit, but also leaving runners on and things of that nature. So we're gonna see how this reacts in here. Depending on how it reacts, we'll hop on the 1 minute chart to see if we can find something. But honestly, if this flips, I don't know if I'll be taking a trade today. How much trade you take a month? I typically have a couple no trade days a week, so I would say on average probably anywhere between 10 to 15. There's 20 trading days out the year. I mean out the month. So typically 20 trading days out the month. Really for me it's 15 because I don't trade Mondays anymore. But well, I guess since I take out Mondays, my new average will probably be anywhere between like, I don't know, 7 to 10, something around there. I don't take a lot of trades. I have a lot of days where it's just no trade days. And I'm okay with that. Bro, dollar is just... Let me sit up. Y'all know when I sit up, y'all know we may have some action here. I'm liking this reaction coming up out of this 5 minute gap. Let's see if we can get us a bearish fair value gap we can enter off of. What do I think is holding me back from being profitable? Still emotional control, right? Emotional control. Like I said, I have days where I go on tilt. I just explained this earlier. You know, with these combines, I should have passed a couple of combines by now. It's just I have days where I go on tilt, right? Break my rules. And then at the end of the trading day, I'm like, wow, bro, I really just blew this this challenge, right? Like I said, I've never straight up failed a combine. I've always got hit by the trailing drawdown. That's, you know, capped at break even. So emotional control, number one. I would say number two, it could possibly be my trading style, you know, or at least my TPs. That's why I kind of switched it up for this combine. Like, I'm sort of trailing my stop super tight. Like, there would be times where I would hit TP1, not take a partial at all, and let it come back and stop me at break even. So, it's a couple things, right? All things that I've made note of, journaled, you know what I'm saying, thought about extensively. And yeah. I might take this, y'all. Let's look and see what this stop loss is looking like. That's right there at the max I would want to lose. We only need 60 points to pass this combine. So we wouldn't even need to take it to this low resistance liquidity. I think I am going to take this though. I might just market executed to see if I can get a slightly better entry, or maybe just do this. I don't want to be right at my max risk, bruh. Like being right at $500 is crazy. I'm gonna put this on. This will be the one and only trade of the day. Stop loss is going to be above the 3 candle sequence. Entries at consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. Basing it off of this reaction coming out of this 5-minute gap. And of course we got, you know, these relative equal lows in Asia, and then going out to a higher time frame. All right, the 1 hour we see this like low resistance liquidity run. We even got some equal lows sitting down here. So let's see if we can get picked up. At what point will I just say forget this trade? Let me figure that out, bro. That's dangerously close. I might just cancel the order if and when Asia session low gets taken. Yeah. If Asia session low gets taken before tapping me in, I'm gonna call it. I'm willing to give this a shot. Let's see if we can just get us a nice painless trade, bro, and finish this combine out for the first time. Y'all know that Kawhi Leonard shot? Is this the dagger? Is this the trade? Imagine it comes back to haunt me that I put it at consequent encroachment. Oh. Trigger me in, please. Please? Please? Ain't no way about to sell me like that, bro. I was about to say, did not get me in. All right, let's see, y'all. Let's see how this goes. Oh my God. This may be the quickest L in history, bro. Yo. Relax. Bro, you were trading for quite some time. You don't have emotional control. I bought my first funded account 3 weeks ago, and since then I have only won my first trade with a losing streak till now. Congratulations, bro. I don't know what you want me to say. I don't like the fact that we just inverse that, bro. I'm out. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. We can find something different, but I don't like that we just inverse that immediately. And if it just goes, it goes. And I don't usually get a chance to cut my loss early. So when I get the chance, you know I'm going to take it. Yeah, no, that's my only rule. I don't cut it unless we inverse what I'm using. So we lost 144 on that. That's going to break the bank. Yeah, I'm good on that, bro. It's a little baby L. Let me go ahead and screenshot this and drop it here. Maybe L on NQ. Reasons for the trade. Down. What I say? 144. Yeah, 144. Oh wait, let me go back down here. I use this concepts, yeah. I don't know if I want to re-enter on this, bro. Got that bullish gap with a nice reaction. I think I'm about to call it, y'all. I think I'm about to call it. I don't really like what I'm seeing, to be honest. And I don't think I really am going to take another setup. Yeah, I technically still got about 20 more minutes for what I consider my trading time, my trading window, but I think I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'll take my little baby L, $144 L, bro. That's a heartbreaker, man. It's a heartbreaker. I need that $144. Yeah, I understand. I know it could very well just... I could have closed it early and it could very well just continue down and go where I thought it was going to go anyway, but when the PD array I'm using is immediately getting inversed, I don't like that at all. Not at all. So I'm good on that. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go ahead and take my little small L. Come back tomorrow and see if we can catch us a nice little dub. Nah, I'm not flipping my bias. I'm not about to take this. I'm good on that. I'm good on that. I can delete this because I already got a screenshot of it. But yeah, I think I'm good, y'all. So I guess this week we're 1-1. So with that loss, we're up about what? I think I made 900 on Tuesday, so we're up about 760-ish for the week. All right, so not a bad week at all, especially on the 50K. Not a bad week at all. Let's try to end it strong tomorrow. And, we still got a chance to low-key pass this thing tomorrow if we get us a good trade. $1,400 away, or $1,300 away, excuse me. So we got a chance to pass this tomorrow if we get us a good trade. So let's hope Friday is good to us tomorrow. Let's believe Friday is good to us tomorrow. If you guys are still trading today, man, good favor to you. Again, we don't do luck around here. Good favor to you if you're still trading. Be smart. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do anything that's going to make you sit at the edge of your bed and just sit in silence. Right? Be smart, y'all. Good favor to y'all. And I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, man. Appreciate y'all coming in, tapping in with me this morning. And we're going to get this funded account live, bruh. We're going to do this live, right? I don't care if I fail this one. We're going to get another one. And we're going to get another one and another one and another one. And we're going to keep doing it until we pass, bro. So, appreciate y'all rocking with me. Appreciate y'all tapping in. That's all I got. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow morning, same time, 9:30 Eastern time.